Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Vista Cancun Golf and Spa Resort. Now this particular category is one of my favorites because it is two rooms that come together, built in that way. They have a great configuration with a king and two queens, and for my family and traveling with my extended family, it's the perfect option. But let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you walk in the door, you've got your temperature control over here to the left, and then right here you're gonna have the first part of your storage. So you've got shelves up and down here, you've got your safe, you've got a hair dryer, and you also have a steamer. In addition to that, you have a scale, though I try to avoid that when possible. Over here you're gonna have your hanging storage, your golf umbrella, and I did want to point out these are really, really cool and nice robes. They're hoodies, so it's kind of like wearing a really nice comfy sweatshirt, and they've got fleece on the inside, and then of course they've got the corresponding slippers. Now we're headed into the bathroom. This is the first place where we're going to encounter the difference between the preferred and non-preferred club. So there's a ton of preferred club amenities that you're going to get if you decide to upgrade. This particular variety comes in both of those. Now the first one is that you're going to get an upgraded kit here. Got larger sizes and more diverse options in there. Right here you're going to have two double sinks, always appreciate the double vanity, the magnifying backlit mirror right here, and then you also have the incense down there. They've got plugs as well throughout this entire room, which is a really good thing. You don't always get that. A little bit of storage underneath, and then you got your chair right here to sit and get ready. Now we're headed into the shower. Right here, you've got your huge shower head up above. You also have your shower wand. And right here, the unique feature is that they always want you to catch the view, catch the vista. And right here, just up top, you can see directly out to the ocean. Now down here to the left, you've got a large bench. You also have your little nook with the upgraded bath amenities. Now we're into the living room space. You've got a large king-sized bed on this side of the configuration. You've got two US plugs, two USB plugs, and a really fantastic feature in this tablet. So you can get most of your hotel information that you have here, any of the questions that you have, dining information such as menus. You can also access the spa menus, but what I love is you can order the room service right on here and they'll deliver it directly to your room. Nice little touch. As we continue on, you have luggage storage both above and below. Now, another one of those preferred club upgrades, you got this bag right here, you get to keep it as a little gift. You have a chair here that pulls out, so that turns this into a writing desk, and then your large flat panel smart TV. Continuing along, you've got two US plugs and two USB plugs. You also have all of the light switches right here and the dimmers. I appreciate that because you can access it right from bed. You've got your phone and your remote. The switches also control the fan. That is a great touch. I always love to have that air moving. And then right here, you have drawers. Underneath, you have your mini bar. So it's stocked when you arrive, and then you have it stocked as you like and replenished as often as you want while you're here. You also have your Nespresso maker and the Nespresso capsules. Those are replenished once again as often as you would like. So in this configuration with the king on this side, you have the really large couch here. You've got your coffee table. That does pull out into a double bed. Now what makes this the family suite is this connecting is guaranteed and it's opened for you. And as you come on through, you can see that this particular variety has two queens and does not have a sofa, but it does have a nice little beanbag for the kids. So between the beds, you have very much what you have on the other side. You got two US plugs, two USB plugs, all of your dimmers and switches. And then of course they do nightly turn down service here as well as daily maid service as well. So they'll set out your slippers as you come back from dinner. So you notice that over here you have a second tablet. You can order room service and everything just the same way. But what I know about traveling with family or even friends, it's great to have the redundancies. You've got another TV as well over here, and then more storage, and then all the mini bar amenities. And then once again, more storage and the bag. So continuing along, you have all your storage here, the same as on the other side. And then heading into the bathroom, you can see it is exactly the same setup. But once again, you have 4 sinks between the two, you have 2 showers. It's really nice to have both of those, especially when traveling with the family. So as I head out to the balcony, I just want to show you this is a pocket door. You can push that back in, also push back the curtain, and you get a really nice inside-outside flow. Now, this balcony is identical to the one on the other side. Once again, that redundancy when traveling with family, but also what's great is if maybe somebody's sleeping on one side, you have this extra retreat and a little bit of privacy. So out here you have your table and you have 2 chairs. You also have this really comfy couch, and I know me personally, this will be where I take my dad naps. It's very comfortable, and looking out at these incredible turquoise waters, Cancun in the distance, golf right here, pretty nice. So now that you've seen the spaces, I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the Preferred Club amenities. The spaces are identical, but they come with those different amenities in the room. In addition, you're also going to get some really cool things at this particular resort. You bypass the regular check-in, you go directly to the Preferred Club and check in there. It's a more private experience. In addition to that, you also have access to that Preferred Club throughout your entire stay. It's a fantastic bar option. You can also have a la carte breakfast in there as well. Just a really nice place to sit, relax, and have a little bit of exclusive access. Now, beyond that, at the very top of this hotel, you get unbelievable amenities. You have a rooftop infinity pool that's just for Preferred Club guests. In addition to the bar, it's a huge bar up there, and that's only open to Preferred Club during the day as well. And there's even a Preferred Club restaurant up there for during the day. Now, all guests can utilize that in the evening, but it's such a nice benefit to have that during the day. In addition to that, there's several other amenities and upgrades that you'll get throughout your stay here, but as you can see, it can be a pretty good value. So when you're ready to book this suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets anywhere in the Caribbean or Mexico, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive specialists. We know the properties inside and out. We have a fantastic relationship with AM, and we know that we can collaborate with you, your family, and friends to have a vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.